What is that? Function return types, right? Next topic is what? Types of prototypes, function prototypes. Now we'll finish these, right? Prototypes. What are the function types of function prototypes? Right, one by one. We have different return types and different parameters, right? Depends upon, guys, right? Depends upon depends upon return types, depends upon return type and arguments. Function prototypes are function prototypes are classified into four types. Function prototypes are classified into four types. What are the four types? Can anyone tell this without return type and without argument? You know these types: without return type and without arguments. Example, void add. Tell me what are the types, guys? Four combinations. Tell me four combinations without return type and without arguments. Next one, guys, tell me four combinations without return values. Okay, without return type or without return values. Without return values, and with arguments. Good. Next, what is third combination?
with return values and with
With
arguments.
return values and without arguments. Okay, na? Without argument. What is fourth model? With the return values and with the arguments. Four combination, guys. Four combinations without return values, without arguments. Example, add function we write like this: void. Void means it doesn't return anything. Void add of semicolon. No parameters are there. No parameters. Next one is what? With the return type. What is the without return type? Void add of with parameters. Example, int comma int comma int, or int x comma int y with parameters. X is a parameter and y is a parameter. Okay. Third model, with return type. With means void means it doesn't return. If I write int, it is returning. It is returning. Okay. Int function name is what? Add. I have written int add. Fourth model is what? With the return type. Int add of int x comma int y. Int x comma int y. Four models. Okay, na? Guys, write these four models. Guys, write these four models. Write these four models. We discuss one by one. First, write them. Finish the first model we discuss, guys. First model we discuss without return values and without arguments. First model, guys. Finish now these 4 models. First write them one by one we discuss. Without return values and without arguments. Yeah, first model, guys, without return values and without arguments. See, first model without return values and without arguments. Example, see, first model. Main function I am writing, void main function, add function you have to write. Add function. Okay, how to write a add function, guys? You know this. Add of, we have to write a add function. Okay, first model I will write, second model also, okay, you have to write, you also you have to write other models. See, guys, add function how to write. I will take x and y and z, read x and y values. You know this logic. Addition of two numbers. Enter two numbers are x comma y values. Enter x comma y values. How to read x comma y? Scanf of percentile. You know this address of x comma address of y. Take x and y and print the z value. How to find out z? Z equals to x plus y and print the z. Now I want to print z. Z value I want to print. Addition is percentile d comma z. Addition is percentile d comma z. Now main function. What I have to write a main function? Clear screen I have to write and get ch. Okay, to execute this add function, to execute this function, compile once. No errors, right? Now how to execute this function? Tell me, guys, how to execute this function? We need to call that function here. How to call? Add off. Just we need to write add off. Okay, if I write add off, see, guys, compile once. Error. What is error?
We should declare the function.
We need to declare. Where have to declare? Here. Okay, what have to write? This is called prototype. We have to write a prototype. This is also valid. This is also valid, and inside the function also it is valid. This is called local declaration. Both are valid. This is local declaration. Inside the function also we can declare. Local declaration. This is global declaration. Here also we can write. Once execute now, see this. Enter x and y, 12 and 13. Now answer is what? 25. Okay, na?